At all times. Voss uses the tower.
What's up everybody, this is Max from Heart Attack Gamers, and today we're playing Far Cry 3. Once again, this is our second part of our walkthrough. We finally bought ourselves a pistol and a machete, and we might get some action.
Yes. The scramblers
this
are at the
time.
top. Each tower covers a limited area. Climb them all and you will reveal the
It's kinda laggy in this area of the village. Oh yeah, got a pistol. And loot stuff. This is awesome. Spider fetish. Wow. Okay, I guess we're gonna be climbing this mountain for the radio tower. Get to shoot something.
That must be the radio tower.
Yeah, you didn't say, man. This must be the radio tower. Yeah, it should be. The snake. What's the tutorial? Oops. The fuck? Is it dead? Oh yeah, it is dead. We're at. We killed the snake. Now I should climb up. It doesn't look very safe though.
Don't look down.
Are we here yet? No. There's more to climb. Okay, where's our camera? Or something. Alright, so we're activating the radio tower, and it gives us weapons and stuff, apparently, as the woman in the gun shop said before she threatened me with a fucking shotgun. Well, this gives us a view of the map or something, and it... Check this out, guys. Sure is pretty. Woo! Zipline!
Nice ride, huh?
It's done.
Good. Show me a map. You see, everything you need to know has been
Oh wow, there are
revealed by the
animals.
radio tower.
Sharks.
Adventure.
Pigs.
The island
I haven't got a
calls
weapon.
to you. And, like you, Jason, the shopkeepers are from the outside.
I don't care, I want to kill
They
someone.
will
Shut up.
use the radio towers to do
Oh, I hate
business
the
and
when
reward
there's
you with
too much
weapons
dialogue
for
going on.
every tower you free. A true warrior must hunt. It is the natural order of things. Look at the map. Select your hunting
Right, you're
ground.
gonna kill a few boars or
Obey your
something.
instincts. Society has taught you how to fail, not nature.
Here.
Now, if you want to save your friends, you must know the jungle. Animal skins and leather will help you to carry many weapons and equipment. Plants can be mixed to create potent
Wow,
medicines
so there's
that
crafting
heal,
and
enhance your senses and more. Go.
stuff.
Return to me once you have mastered the jungle.
What does that
Mastering the
mean? What am
jungle.
I supposed to do?
Listen to your instincts.
Alright. We're gonna head up to this place there, and we can drive a car, I think. Yeah, we can drive a car. rolling the streets of Rook Island. A little bit of an FPS fallout there. Am I even heading the right way? Yeah, I certainly am. Yep. Fucking buffalo. Amazing.
Bring back plants and animals. Which ones?
We need plants. And green plants. Alright. And there's supposed to be like green leaves around or something. Yeah, there you go, green leaf. Where's that? Foot of my face. This is the one. I'm gonna leave the animals for last, I guess. Where are those? Can we swim? Oh yeah. Right. So now we're left to hunt animals. There's a boar. Wow, the bitch won't die. Alright, we're going at it at rodeo style. The fucking boar, someone around here. The fuck?
Yes. All right. You can do this.
This one went quite a distance away
Got
from
you.
me. Oh man, this is disgusting. More boars. Need more boars. You're fucking hiding or something. Okay, there's someone heading this way, so I'll just... There you go. Okay, this motherfucker won't get away. Fucking animal. Alright, so we're pretty much done here, and we're gonna go... We're gonna fast travel. It's fast travel. Right. This was fun. The shooting in this game, the shooting mechanics are pretty nice. Well, as far as I can tell. Oh no, flickering. Ah. Can we have like more weapons or something? Assault rifles. Oh, can I equip it? No, just equip. Alright. Yes. Great. A weapon? No, wait. Where's the exit door? Here you go. This is the village, and we have to go there. Okay, let's run out here.
Dennis, you've got the plants and animals.
Good. Then bend nature to your will. I will teach you.
And we're gonna be crafting stuff.
Now use the plants you found to craft 2 syringes.
Craft it. Then
Good,
craft another one.
Jason. You may even find more powerful plants out in the woods.
Right.
If you are lucky. Now, use the skins of the animals you killed to
Oh, I need
enlarge
the
what you
peers
can
for more
Crafting
advanced.
will allow you to carry more weapons, money, loot, and syringes. Yes.
Loot
One last
rucksack.
thing, the tattoo on your arm. It is a sign that you are special.
I
That
see.
you have the soul of a warrior.
Go back.
You progressed along the path. Let me show you how to add to them. With each tattoo, a skill is mastered. You can choose to learn skills in 3 different areas. Now, I will teach you the takedown. It is done. As you become stronger, with each new skill you learn, the tattoo will grow. Choose another.
Right. Okay, what's next? Oh. Right.
You have done well, Jason.
So now I have an extra tattoo on my
tattoo.
arm. Awesome.
Hey, Felipe. We are driving to the outpost near Amanaki. We have one of the Americans. Come, have some fun.
What the hell? Lisa!
Oh, shit.
We have to get her back.
Come, follow.
Right. More action. Gotta shoot some pirates, perhaps. Drive, motherfucker.
This outpost they've taken Lisa to.
The outposts are strongholds found throughout Rook Island. Vas's pirates hold them to control the surrounding area.
So we're heading into a fight.
Yes, a worthwhile one. Rescuing your friend will kill 2 pigs with 1 stone. We are at war with Vas. Taking outposts from the pirates is key to
Who are those
reclaiming
guys?
the island. We conquer one for Iraqiat, the area becomes safe.
He's not a very
Means
quick driver.
trouble for everyone. New opportunities to develop your skills as a warrior.
Who's in the truck?
Rakyat warriors, the true Rakyat, who live at the heart of the island.
Yeah, this farm I know. I've been
Will
here.
help them to trust you.
Look, I appreciate your help, but I just want to save Lisa and my friends. My brother.
This is the only way to get them back alive. You escaped the slave camp. You survived. It is time to fight. We are all equal, Jason. The difference lies in those who do not act. That is the difference.
All right, let's do this.
Like you, I was once a stranger here. You are not alone, my friend. We will wait for you to begin the attack.
Jason, Dennis has given you the tattoo.
My friend.
Now you must fight.
You can attack them quickly, pick them off from a distance, or sneak in. It is your choice.
Alright, let's see what I can do. Can we use the camera? Yeah. Oh, it tags enemies. Awesome. That's helpful. Those guys aren't following, so I'm pretty much alone here. Alright, that's enough for me.
Lisa, I'm coming.
That's rock and roll. Let's see if Lisa's there and then we'll end it.
Everything's gonna be okay, Lisa! They're all gone! You're safe now! She's not here.
Oh man.
The outpost near Amanaki is under attack.
Well, thanks
Where
guys
is the
for
American
watching.
prisoner?
Hope you
lost
enjoyed
her.
it. And
What?
until next time, take
He
care.
escaped on the
I'll
west side
release a
of the
new
fucking
video
island.
real soon.
I'll tell you about it when we
Bye-bye.
get there.